If you've lost access to your Square account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Square login page. Go to the official Square login page on your web browser. This is where you will begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your phone number. When prompted, enter the phone number associated with your Square account. This is an alternative method for verifying your identity. Step 4. Receive verification code. Check your phone for a verification code sent via SMS. Enter this code in the provided field to confirm your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven to use before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Square account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Square's customer support for further assistance.